Hi students, welcome to 3rd Standard Social Class video session, Lesson 10, Land of Tamil Nadu. In today's session, we are going to learn about important sites in Tamil Nadu. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn Lesson 9, Land of Tamil Nadu, topic Important Sites of Tamil Nadu, Part 1. First, let us learn some information about Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort or Senji Fort in Tamil Nadu is one of the surviving forts in Tamil Nadu. It lies in Viluppuram district, 160 km from the state capital Chennai, and it is close to the Union Territory of Puducherry. It was called as the Troy of the East by the British. Jinji Fort is an amazing historic fort that saw many kings conquer it, defend it for years. This vast fort is spread across over 14 square kilometer area and has three main forts looking at each other. Next, let us learn about Marina Beach. What is Marina Beach famous for? Famous as the longest beach in India and the second longest of its kind in the world. Marina Beach is one of the most famous beach holiday destinations in the country. The beach has been a popular location in Chennai since 1881. Marina Beach is a natural urban beach in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, along the Bay of Bengal. The beach runs from near Fort St. George in the north to Foreshore Estate in the south, a distance of 6 km, making it the longest natural urban beach in the country. Next, let us learn about Kutralam Waterfalls. Kutralam Falls is located in Tenkasi district in the South India state of Tamil Nadu, bordering Kollam district, Kerala. The falls is located on the Western Ghats on the river Chittar and is considered a medical spa on account of the medical smell in the water. It is located 5 km from the nearest city Tenkasi. The best season to visit Kutralam is the winter season. The best month to visit are July, September, October, November, January, February and March. Kutralam experiences monsoons between the months of June to September. These months are characterized by moderate rainfall. What are the best places for waterfalls in Kutralam? These places are best for waterfalls in Kutralam. Five Falls Kutralam, Kutralam Falls, Main Falls Kutralam, Old Kutralam Waterfalls, Puliyarivi. Next, let us learn about Botanical Garden in Ooty. The Government Botanical Garden is the botanical garden in Udagamandalam near Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu state, laid out in 1848. The garden, divided into several sections, cover an area of around 55 hectares and lie on the lower slopes of the Toppeta Peak. The garden has the terraced layout. What is special about Botanical Garden in Ooty? Botanical gardens devote their resources to the study and conservation of plants as well as making the world plant species diversity known to the public. These gardens also play a central role in meeting human needs and providing well-being. What are botanical gardens? These are the specialized gardens having collection of living plants for reference. Plant species in these gardens are grown for identification purposes and each plant is labeled indicating its botanical or scientific name and its family. Now let us learn about Nahur Dargah. Nahur Dargah are also called Syed Shahulami Dargah or Nahur Andavar Dargah is a dargah built over the tomb of the Sufi Saint Sahul Amin. It is located in Nahur, a coastal town in the South India state of Tamil Nadu. The most prominent event celebrated at Nahur Dargah is the Kandri festival, a 14-day commemoration of the death anniversary of Shah Alamid. Common worship practices at Nahur Dargah include the presentation of offering accompanied by playing the musical instrument like Nadaswaram, typical of Hindu religious tradition. The Nahur Dargah covers an area of 5 acres enclosed by a compound wall. The main complex has 4 entrances in each direction. Now let us learn about Velangani Church. Known as the Lords of the East, the Velangani Church is one of the most revered pilgrimages for Catholic in India. The story of the church dates back in 16th or 17th century, when Mother Mary is believed to have appeared in this small village with infant Jesus in her hands. Velangani has one of the country's biggest Catholic pilgrimage center, the Basilica of Our Lady of Good Health. Devoted to Our Lady of Good Health, it is popularly known as the Lords of the East. Its origins can be traced back to 16th century. The church founding its attribute to the 3 miracles: the apparition of Mary and Jesus to a slumbering shepherd boy, the curing of a lame buttermilk vendor, and the survival of Portuguese sailor assaulted by a violent sea storm. It is built in the Gothic style, was modified by Portuguese and then further expanded later on due to the influx of the pilgrims. The church building was raised to the state of basilica in 1962. I hope you got clear information about important sites in Tamil Nadu. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.